All right, well, today, I think we have an exhaust leak down here somewhere, and it's bothering me. And you can tell I got that Mr. Gasket thing in there, and I don't know where it's coming from, but I'm going to look at all that. I guess I need to spray some WD-40 on that stuff down in there. But yeah, I think something down there's causing a problem. And when it comes to on a Bonneville and other cars with a big steering box right there, see that big steering box with a nut coming out of it? Focus on spark plug wires. Right there. There you go. We got them now. You can go through all kind of unhappiness putting headers on something like this. So, but I need some WD-40 in here pretty bad. All right, so I'm gonna go get some. And I don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess I'll crank it and see if it's POOOFIN. Okay, she's running. I sprayed some WD-40 on them things. Sound like it anymore, and she's stone cold. See what I mean though? I do get something in there. Okay, let's see if I can put my hand down there and see if I feel anything. I need both hands because I need something to hold my light. Right there. See it bubbling right there? Yeah, that smoke is from the WD-40 put on it. Nah, that's leaking. I'm gonna have to go to, well, we'll go upstairs and look at it. Yeah, that's leaking. It's coming. Well, if that's all I got wrong with it, at least I didn't flatten out the cam, you know. Let's count happiness here. Look at that at idle, 14.9. Yeah, that's popping. And so she's not even warm. So yeah, that's leaking. Oh. All right, so we're gonna have to go up there and look and see about getting some manifolds and Doughnut kits and all that other stuff, because that's just not gonna work. When you got a car like this, you can't have that kind of action. Can't have that on any car. It's not good for your breathing. So anyhow, all right. Oh no, I don't want to hear that. That's for sure. Okay. All right. We'll fix them. She takes up a lot of air out of the room, don't she? Well, let's get the Jaguar off the lift and get the Bonneville over here, and we will see about getting that manifold off. See if it's got a crack in it or something. I don't know. It's been about 4 days since I filmed what you saw before this filming. Let's see if we can get it all figured out. Take her out for a little spin. Seems like it's okay. I had these classic carburetor float bowl leak thing going on there. Alright, well, that's not the point of the video. Well, seems to be doing fine. Yay, the speedometer kicked in. Well, oil pressure's great. She did fine. Scary fine. I mean, the radio still works. Well, it would if the engine wasn't running because I run solid wires. But alright, well, the turn signals work. Brakes work. Good thing. Alright. Oh, somebody lost a piece of pipe there. I might have to run get that. Ooh, okay. Oh, it returned and everything. Whoa. More blows. That's a big deal in this car. You get the horn to blow. I remember when I first got this car, it took me 8 hours to take the steering column apart to get the contact in here. You Jaguars know what I mean about that big long needle and all that stuff. So, yeah, let's just put her over here in the lean-to for a little bit. Oh, oh. All right. This car don't usually run on. Let's see if she does. I'll drop it in fourth just to see. Nah, she don't usually do that. She's usually pretty good about such things. Ooh, I hear the gas back there sloshing around. Okay, let's get the Manifold over. Ram. I'm just getting in my cars and they're starting and everything. So fresh gas is really a key factor here. I'm going to just kind of go for it. I think I'm pretty evenly spaced here. I don't want her to run a real long time because I don't want that manifold getting too hot for her. That's that stupid radio, isn't it? Yep. Okay, so let's put the brake on. Okay, come on, stick brake. Okay. All right, I don't think that got it too hot. Probably just let her sit for an hour or so just to make sure she's stone cold. Now I'm going to take her up and do the bottom first and then the top. And then I think you can get the exhaust manifold out of the top. I don't know. I forget. So is the clock running? Clock is running. Cracks me up every time. Wow, is it ever windy today? Alright, well, let's hit the green subscribe button, right? Huh, what cause that? Well, I'll try to clean her up a little bit. Oh well, did what I could. I just got off the phone with John. All that powder coating you saw the other day. Gotta get my hairband. And he's got, I think it's a 20 bulletin Denali 4-door pickup truck thing, and it's pulsating. The brakes are pulsating when he hits them. So of course, you know, that's a rotor. And we're going to get the dial gauge indicator and check on that and see if we got any run out on that. But that'll probably be a week or so. But yeah, Ecobono brakes and pads, and that'll be a good video. We'll do that. Okay. We're gonna play. Oh, come on. Okay, it is playing. Okay. Let's go get my hairband. Bad boy, Johnny. And don't play the fool. Okay, so we're at chair height. Had a little bit of a spillage here. Leakage and spillage. Oh, I might go up one more little click, huh? I don't know if I need to. Let me go. Ooh, you see the wind blowing stuff around. So here's where we're going. It's just always a pain. Yeah, I kind of remember all this now. Alright, I don't see anything real distinctive there. I don't see any cracks. But it was blowing on my hand. Alright, get what we can down here. Yep. Alright, well that's not too terrible. Alright. I think I'll just get some new ones anyway. Ooh, what a mess. Well, that's the way it goes here. It's a funky smell. Spilled a little gas out of the Jaguar. Alright, let's see, 9/16 I think those are. Literally has been just a few minutes. It's, well, I don't know if I can get light on that or not. So, yeah, this ain't so bad. I gotta get some donut gaskets no matter what I do anyhow. I remember the day I had this exhaust system made custom. It was at somewhere not far from here. I guess they're still in business. Nigel, he liked to be called Doc. And he did not like to be called Nigel. I don't know what that was about, but anyway, it's his name. So call him the right thing. Wish I could get those in stainless steel. I probably can. So there you go. I still don't see. Now I do. Okay, there. I see something there. You see that black coming? Yeah, it's poofing. It's coming out around that donut gasket. So anyway, I had this thing. That's doing pretty good. That's my oxygen sensor. Okay. Well, I don't want to pull all this down. Holy cow. She goes on for a while. Half acre of car here. And that's expert work there, isn't it? Did you like that? Well, you know how exhaust systems are. You end up sort of meatballing around. Oh, remember when I did these things? Well, that was fun. That was a lot of fun. That was about a year ago now. What happened there? I don't know. That's not where we're working right now. Alright, so I might can get, got to get these back two from down here. Nice earthing strap. But that definitely is leaking around that donut gasket. So we'll get that from up top. Okay, she's completely unbolted. Takes about 15 minutes. So don't pull that gasket off. If it wants to stick, let it stick. Unless you need to replace it. Don't think I'm going to. Don't look like I see any black marks around the those things there. Okay. Well, let's see if we can fish this thing out from underneath. Hope it don't fall out and shatter on the ground. So, alright, I don't think it will. Alright, let's go on up. Let's go back up again. Alright, so here we are again, up underneath. And let's just see if I can get this thing out of here. I think it'll come out the back way here. Don't you? Alright, well, I'm going to need both hands to do this. We'll see if it looks like when I get her out. And see if I can get in there and get that donut gasket out of there. I may have to lower it back down again, which I'll do anyway. I don't leave stuff up in the air overnight. Okay, this is why you disconnect the battery, because you're right next to the hot cables. Alright, let's see if I can get that. There you go. Oh boy, she was leaking. I don't think she's cracked. So it's not leaking around those any. Okay. Yeah, that donut gasket's leaking like crazy all around here. See? Alright, well. Alright, don't drop that thing, because that's been through a couple of heat cycles. Let's see if I can get my hand up in there and get that donut gasket out, or what's left of it. Oh, wait a minute. Well, it seems to have disappeared. Things that make you go, Well, it's not there. It's, that explains why it's leaking. Okay. Well, don't give an error to the shortstop, because, well, it wasn't there. So, okay, well, let's measure. All right, well, all right then. Let's measure and see what this is. I may take down both sides then and just put, how'd that happen? Let's see, I know it's right there. I don't even have to see it. Okay, so I have to see it. There it is. All right, let's see what it is. And I don't think that we have any other real issues here. All right, let's take that off. And, okay, dang. Well, all right. 1 15/16. Well, 2 inches. I don't know. 1 15/16. What are you gonna do here, pal? And like I say, I think that the manifold itself is flat. It don't need to be surfaced before it goes onto the head. I'll be danged. Well, let's drop her down and measure that thing. Now, you wonder why that's curved in right there. It's because it hit this steering thing right here. So that's why. I don't think it caused us any real damage. Well, now I wonder about over here. Wow. I'm not going to pull that down, because I might have to put this thing kind of back together a little bit to get it out of here if John comes Friday. And that's just several days from now. So, things that make you go, well, let's drop her back down and take a look at things. Interesting. Well, the exhaust pipe measures 2 7/128. Whatever that means. Okay, so let's get a little bit more light down there. Okay. Oh, that other one's probably fluttery anyway. I won't know till I go up and edit this. All right. Well, that's kind of strange. Let's get, now that we got this going, we'll turn that off. Put it down where it won't fall down. Okay, let's take a look and see. See, that even sounds good. But boy, she's sure leaking around there. There's some remnants of the thing. Well, that gets to be about 700 and something degrees. I'm just glad it's not cracked. I thought it was cracked at one point. Well, it's cracked. I'll have to put a helicoils in them. I might go for the gold here and just maybe get some. If they don't work, I'll send them back. I'm kind of afraid of new stuff. I think these are fine, but I'll go. I'll have to think about it. Well, anyway, that's going to be it. This is just disassembly. So give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and it'll be a while before I can get this thing figured out again. So you sure can't crank it up like this, boy. You bring every hog this side of the picket wire. Alright, thanks for spending some time with me, sharing time with me, and we'll see what we can do here. I might just go up and just do some studying on this thing. Okay, well let's do that. And I remember when I first got this thing, there were a bunch of broken studs up in the heads, and I got him to work for quite a long time. And Blue, when we did the motor, he got all of them out. Boy, thank God for Blue. He really saved me on this thing. So thanks again, Blue.